YouTube? I'm Denise and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are returning, welcome to my channel. If you guys are new, so in today's video is basically going to be a collective vlog. Y'all, I need to do a small load of laundry. I need to clean out my closet, and I need to declutter, like basically give away like clothes I'm no longer wearing, or I know I'm not gonna wear anytime soon, and like clothes that just been sitting in my closet, and any other thing that I end up coming across that I need to do. So keep watching. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, tell a friend to come to Denise channel. But without further ado, let's get into this collective vlog.
JP.
Hey y'all, so y'all see me, like, I made 2 clowns on my bed, what I'm keeping and when I'm giving away, like, to play those closet. And so now I'm gonna go through this box that I done had in my closet since we moved here. But I don't want to do it once or twice, but
I'm so cold, you got me out here. I've been taking off.
What's up, y'all? So hey y'all, I'm back. It's currently the next day. Like I told y'all last night, I was going to bed because I left home and got back late, and I told y'all I was going to try to get like most of my clothes in the closet. I got some clothes in the closet, but I still got a pile of clothes that I need to put in the closet, that I need to hang up in my closet. So what I have to do today that I need to finish from yesterday is I need to throw away my trash. I need to finish hanging up my clothes in the closet. I need to go through the Plato's closet bag again. I need to make up all these socks that I done found. I need to edit this video, and I have another video that I need to edit that hopefully will be out tomorrow. And this video will probably be out the day after that video drops, because I already posted twice today. Hey y'all, so I'm back. I'm out to shower and stuff, and I hope y'all can hear me because I got the washer and the dryer going. But what I forgot to tell y'all was also I need to shred these papers from 10th grade year. My backpack was still full, so and now I'm just about to empty this backpack. It's literally still in good shape. It might need washing, but yeah. So I'm gonna keep the backpack. We're going to shred the paperwork that's in it.
I got too many hoes. I can't hang you. Like to put that shit in your nose. But I still love you. You're doing shit that nobody knows. In the streets, they be thinking you're a lady, but at home. All night, say it. I want I wanna all night. Say it, I wanna all night. Hello, stranger, babe's been waiting. Just as I recall that, ass is still amazing. Playing, babe, saying, babe.
My mama is not around. I watch her climb to the top of the pole and then get sliding down. I make it rain in this bitch. I make it snow in this bitch. She tryna get out of the mix. Shawty is going to G. Mama is not around. I watch her climb to the top of the pole and then get sliding down. I make it rain in this bitch. I make it snow in this bitch. She tryna get out of the mix. Shawty is going to G.
Hey y'all, I'm back. So currently right now, I'm cooking dinner. I'm cooking bacon cheeseburgers and fries. Right now, I'm cooking a burger. So yeah, I'm gonna try to set y'all up so y'all can watch me. But y'all, it's literally be nowhere in my kitchen to set y'all up at. Oh Lord. Literally nowhere. Y'all can see me. Let me calm this light. Then y'all can see. So I'm just cooking cheeseburgers. The bacon is in the oven. And I'm waiting on these three to get done so I can put the last two in here. There's only 3 of us. So I always make sure I cook enough. Maybe because somebody else gonna want another burger. Somebody might want 2 burgers, or somebody might be hungry tomorrow. I might take it for lunch or something. So I just always make sure it's enough. So I'm just smashing. Make sure they get done. And I like to put the cheese on it right after it come out the skillet so it'll melt on its own. So nobody won't have to worry about melting the cheese. I'm gonna cut it up a little bit. But yeah, and I'm gonna cook the fries later on. Like once they get done.
This bitch got me paying the rent, paying for trips, diamonds on her neck, diamonds on her wrist, and here I am all alone, all alone. I'm so cold, you got me out here.
I've been taking on all this baggage, adding on so much weight. Had me thinking that I was average, when you're really the plan.
You got issues that I won't mention for now, cause we're falling apart. Passionate from miles away, passive with the things you say, passing up on my old ways. I can't blame you, no. Passionate.